Hi besties, good evening. Whenever you're coming across this my video, I send you greeting. It's evening here. This is 9:30 p.m. Odogwu and I is in the kitchen cooking my favorite soup, Ofa Achara. Yes, Odogwu traveled to my place, Abia State. He went for a business trip. On his way coming back, he saw this my traditional food, Achara. So he know fully well that I will definitely love it because it's been a while. He bought it for me and also branched on a mini market around there and bought all the few items we are going to use to prepare it. So when he came back, it was late and I am tired already. He said, "Don't worry, I got you your favorite. Let's team hand together and prepare it." Right now, we are in the kitchen cooking my favorite, guys. So what are we cooking? We're cooking Ofa Achara, okay? So right now, we are prepping the ingredients. I'm cutting onions while Odogwu is helping me out in washing the meat. It is late. This is 9:30 p.m. So we have to do it sharp in order to enjoy this soup because I can't wait. I can't wait tomorrow. I just want to eat it that night. Count me out for anything that has to do with flat tummy when it comes for achara. It's not me. With achara soup, I'm ready to swallow anytime, any day. So he's done washing the meat. I want to go and throw the water and we rinsed. So we're just prepping. Right now, it's time to cook, guys. In our empty neat pot, we added our protein. We are using cow meat. We added our onions. We added our seasoning cube, our salt to taste. We added the stockfish head and the achara itself. We cover it and transfer it to our light. You can see two hands cooking this food. This is Odogwu hand. Odogwu is the one doing. Then this is my own hand. I have to stir and added water. And this is time for palm oil. I added my palm oil. I cover it. Now the palm oil has cooked. I added my chili pepper. We are using ofo as thickener. I added my crayfish and bitter leaf. I love bitter leaf a lot and I eat it in different ways, okay? So I'm making this my achara soup with bitter leaf and ofo. So I cover it and the soup is ready. So it's time I have to pound my fufu because I'm going to demolish this my delicious soup with fufu. I have to pound it with my hand. You see the way I'm pounding it? This is how you pound it and it will answer fufu. And when you eat it, it will give you weight, okay? So I pound it finished. This is what it's looking like. And tananam, my soup is ready. We are going to demolish it with fufu. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.